How to convert personal to professional account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to convert personal to professional account on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Log in to your account. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap three-line icon at top right corner and access settings and activities section. Scroll to the bottom and under for professionals, select account type and tools. Now tap switch to professional account and tap continue button. Tap the best that describes your page or account and then tap done button. Wait for 30 seconds and choose the creator account and tap next button. Tap continue or not now to share logins using account center. And here follow the 7 steps and set up your professional account. Now completely close Instagram and reopen Instagram app. Head towards the profile icon at bottom right corner and as you can see that we have successfully converted the personal account to professional account on Instagram. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.